Hey guys, what's up, what's up? Yes, I'm gonna teach you how to make the suspension mechanics for this custom Bigfoot wheels. It's big and it's awesome and super easy to do, guys. This one doesn't have an actual build yet, just the mechanics and the custom wheels, but it's already fun to drive. It's already flex worthy. Let's test this, guys. Here we got a road with some potholes. Basic, guys, basic. It's like nothing. Now this is some kind of irrigation or water system with some taller walls. Again, guys, it's like nothing. Yes. And here's some abandoned tanks. Let's see if this Bigfoot can drive over. Damn! Oh yes, that's too easy. Then we have here a ramp. Let's go! Oh, fail! Let's go back! See this? It climbed the wall in reverse! Alright, let's do the jump! Alright! Look how bouncy it is, right? Oh, did I hit the car? Let's help it! Yeah! By the way, this can definitely climb these walls. What? What the f? Woo!
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Awesome, right? And here is another Bigfoot, kinda like mechanical, right? And this looks so cool! So let's compare this suspension with mine. Well, it's not that smooth compared to mine, but for sure this guy can improve his build. And here is my jeepney with a smooth suspension too. Let's try this with the potholes. Oh, it's actually having a hard time. Potholes are too deep for the jeep. Well, this is not a Bigfoot, that's why. Oh, it sucks! Well, again, for my Bigfoot, these potholes are nothing. Yeah, boy. Even these tanks are nothing for this. Oh my god! You can add spikes on this if you want. Yes, for PvPs. So guys, time for me to teach you these mechanics. By the way, the custom Bigfoot wheels have a full tutorial too. 1-minute tutorial, guys. I'll put the link in the description or in the comment section. So let's do this. Place servos like this on the wheels in front. With move 0.5, move both servos one time upwards. Move the servos one time like this, inwards. Place block on top of the servos. Place block on the side of these blocks. Select these blocks. Clone it to the rear wheels. Make sure they have the same placement as the front wheels. Place block on the wheels like this. With 0.5, scale these blocks one time, away from the wheels. Place block here, scale it to the other side. Place block at the middle, scale it to the other side. The length of this depends on your build, but mine, for reference, I cloned the wheels with move 30. Delete this block. This is gonna be the platform for your build. I moved this up so when I create a build, it will not touch the wheels. I moved this 3 times with move 2. Here I just expand the platform, but it's up to you how you gonna build this, of course. But the thing is, I prepare if this will not touch the wheels. Wheels might touch this because wheels will bounce because of the suspension. Or if your build cannot avoid it, you can turn off collision of some parts of your build. Place block under and at the center of the platform. Scale this block to 16. This is gonna be a connecting block. Select these blocks, then clone it aligned with the connecting block. Place block here, then scale it to the other side. Same with these rear blocks. Place block at the center, then scale it connecting to the front blocks. I change color of these blocks for markers. Place spring between these red blocks. Now follow these settings of the springs, all 4 springs. This is the servo settings. Here I just created a weight because I don't have a build yet. You can follow this too. Turn off collision of the mechanics, but of course not the custom wheels. And the platform, maybe I'll turn on collision for this. Then place seat, then bind the wheels and servos. Just the basic controls. I just want to move this up one more. Then scale the connecting block one time with scale 2, of course. Oh yeah, the side platforms, you can turn off collision. By the way, this is the wheel settings. Alright, so that's how to do the Bigfoot wheel suspension. Very easy, right? By the way, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!